You started? You started?
Stay here.
Yo. Check. 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 Y'all never take a bath, never make a path, never learn the math, like it doing half. It gon' make you laugh, but 3 equals 3, 1, told my local and how more 100 minus 1, that equal 99. More bills than money, I can do the math. I'm trying to keep focused on the righteous path. Yo, hey math genius, man, are you serious? Difference between sine, cosine, and tangent and mysterious. Curious in your face is making me delirious. Welcome to our zone, man, it gon' be hilarious.
We already know what a basic sine curve looks like. And this is our basis for this graph. Looking at the difference between the equations will help us figure out what we need to change in this graph. Let's start at the left and work our way to the right. So the first difference we see is 3. And this number is our amplitude. So the maximum and minimum values are each 3 units away from the midline. A graph of y equals 3 sine x looks like this. Now let's take our y equals 3 sine x and turn it into y equals 3 sine 2x. The 2 tells us that our period is 42a squared b to the power of negative 5 over 9c squared divided by 12b to the power of negative 3 c squared over a to the power of negative 3 or pi. We can fit a whole cycle within 0 to pi on the x-axis. Scrunching up our curve to fit gets us this. Now all we are missing is the negative 4 that is tacked on the end. That tells us the midline dropping down 4 units. The basis sine graph has a midline and x-axis y equals 0. We need to take our curve and move it down 4. And that looks like this. And this is the graph that we see. Y equals 3 sine 2x minus 4.
Let's get it, boys. Hey yo, we can do a little math. Be bumming while we looking at a graph. Label y is 3 sine confine 2x. Subtract 4 on the board. The basic sine curve y is sine x, you nerds. Keyword is difference. The keyword to know. You look and see thinking and thinking hard though. Check left to right, fam. And hey, there we go. Think hard. 3 is a difference, it don't quite match up. It's a figure we looking for. Amplitude, yeah. You take up that 3 like yo Stephen Curry and you pop it right into the middle line. Maximum, minimum, minimum, maximum, maximum, minimum, minimum, maximum. A little math done and now more do you know. We 3 units above and 3 units below. The midline can contain my unit though.
We're here to talk about trigonometric function. Listen. Yo, start with introduction. First, gotta find the amplitude number. So everyone, take a second off your tumbler. The amplitude can do things: shrink or stretch the graph vertically. If positive, the graph will stretch. If negative, the graph will shrink. The amplitude is easy to find. The number paper close now. Don't be blind. I'm talking about sound, and all you guys do is whine. But it's not hard, so let me take down your guard. First, find the period. It's 2 pi over b. You already know that I'm a straight G. The period is in radians, not degrees. So make like a mouse and eat like a cheese.
I'ma give you a gift teaching you how to do the phase shift. Move your graph to the right and then back to the left. Vertical shift moves the graph up and down and up and down. End of equations where it's found. Your knowledge base is solid ground with information, bro. How profound. Flex all your knowledge all around. Like where is this function found? You already got the know-how. Origin is where the sine will start. Amplitude is where the cosines part. Graph looks like a wave. A period is divided in 4 ways, up and down by the amplitude number. Little more info, please remember. The graph flips when sine and cosine are negative. In cosine, you account for phase, then the amplitude, then the vertical. Hey, mathematical terms array. Could the beat In Miss Ryden's Pre-Cal 12, I'll learn and churn information for which I yearn. My mathematical foundation is hella calculated, as I've hopefully demonstrated. It's not too complicated for the grade 12 curriculum rated. Thusly now, it can be corroborated. Your ignorance of trigonometric functions is like most people's mobile devices, has officially been confiscated.